What is up? It's your boy, Mr. Bossburger. I'm going to be doing a breaking video. Well, another video. This video, I'm going to break a fidget spinner. Let's do this. This is a fidget spinner. Whoa, that looks so weird. It's fidget spinner. But this is what you get. I don't really know. I just want to friggin' break you. Think you'll resist? And by the way, when we break it, we'll see if it still spins. Dang. This thing is strong. Imagine this is glowing. Oh shoot. The things are starting to pop out. Let's bring out the big gun. Freaking club. I'm gonna smack it first. Oh my god. Shoot. Oh, the bear. It fell. These actually are so hard to put back on. Oh, there we go. Yay! Let's see. Jesus, so hold on, guys. 1 second. It may not spin because one part. Yeah. I'm gonna try. Oh, it's there. Except for the blow. Wait. Yeah, I'm gonna try and smack it back in. One. Oh, jeez. Making such a huge mess. Oh, I think I got it in. Oh, no, it flipped. Which is an idiot. Okay. Peter's at it. Oh, hold on, guys. Sorry for that part. And okay, I'm just gonna smack this. Shoot. There's barely any damage to this thing. This bitch spinner is actually super duper strong. Like, dang. Yes! Oh, I got one out. Oh, this is actually way different than the other ones. The normal ones, because it brings a little weight to it. As you can see, it's impossible to spin. Like, it would just stop. So look. And this. Yep, every time I spin it, it just stops. Okay. Yeah. Pull this part out. I don't know what I'm going to use that for, but. Oh, yo. I'm about to get this part out. Oh, heck yeah, man. Dang. Some damage. Oh, yes. Sorry about that little part. Just thought I hurt someone. Oh, yeah, behind the basketball thing in the background, I'm just playing with friends. Oh! Come on, get this thing out. Oh, it needs a little bit more. Yo, you see, this thing is so close to getting out. Okay. Oh, the barrel is back in. Hold on, I'm gonna pause it. I'll be right back. Actually, wait, never mind. Who knows? Oh my god. I'm actually gonna try and put the oven back in. But yeah, if I could fit that back in, but I actually got it in. Here then. I can barely spin. So I'm gonna pause it and try and. Hey guys, I'm back. Just so you know, sorry for that little cut. I was actually stopped that part, and then I got all of them out while I was recording, and then someone just called me, which ended the whole thing. I got pretty mad, but let's continue. See, I got all of them out. I'm really sorry for that part. So yeah, let's continue smashing. Oh my gosh. Yeah, and before, like when you smash it, it would like go up in the air and fly. Hey, there's a little part. But before it went up to like right where my. I'll try and get it on tape so it's good. It just did, it just flew. That's what I was talking about. Yay! Oh, what the? I didn't know it bounced like that. Should I? Oh my god. Where did this come out from? I need to find the other piece for this. Oh my god. Did it get buried? Hope it didn't. I'm gonna bury this. Should I bury this fidget spinner? I think I should. Yeah, I'm gonna bury it. Okay. I'm gonna get the hole. Ready? Okay guys, I am back. There's the hole right here. Let's bury this bad boy. All the things are in. Bury it. Oh my gosh. I like remember this tomorrow. I need to find a place for me to remember this thing. Let's put this here. Right there, that'll make me remember. It's in the dirt. This is insane. And by the way, you see I didn't like take it out because you didn't really see. So nothing in there. Nothing there. Do you see a fidget spinner right here? I guess you couldn't really see it, but I actually did do it. Here. There we go. And that is, I'm actually going to keep it shut. Well, I just buried a fidget spinner. Well, hope you guys joined this hope you enjoyed this video. Smash the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Always stay like a burger. Peace.